Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel today. In today's video, I'm going to show you about high ticket affiliate marketing and why you need that in your business. Okay, stick around. We're right back here in just a few seconds and we'll get started right on that. Alrighty, welcome back to the channel guys. In today's video, like I was telling you, I'm going to show you about high ticket affiliate marketing and why it's important in your business to have that. And first of all, this is your first time here to my channel or this video, and even if you've been here before and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please reach down there below now and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do pretty regularly here. All right, and also, this is your first time to one of my videos or my channel, what we do here is we do affiliate marketing videos, how-to videos, anything to do with making money online videos, and general how-to videos, as I was saying, and also once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video for you too. Okay? All right, well, with that out of the way, let's get started into the content today. High-ticket affiliate marketing. That is something that you definitely need in your business, and the reason why is because it'll help you make more money quicker. All right, than it would if you didn't, and you were just selling a low ticket product all the time. All right, so I did a little graph here on my Windows Paint program here, sort of show you about this. Now, you're always going to have a front end offer, right? It's a front end offer, and it's usually an offer that runs anywhere from like $10 to $30, and it gives value. You want to make sure that whatever you're offering gives value to the customer, great value to them, and it helps them solve a problem or solve an issue that they may be having. And it doesn't matter what niche you're in, as long as you're in one of the three main niches, which is health and wellness, relationships, and wealth, right? And there's many sub niches underneath those that you can work in too. And but you want to have a front end offer that's relatively low in price and will give great value and solve a problem that your customer's having. And when they purchase that particular product, it will give them value, and then you have other upsells or higher ticket products on the back end, so to speak. And they don't have to be offered right away in your sales funnel after they purchase first, and they can catch up to that a little bit later. You can offer it to them later or whenever you want to, basically. But the reason you want higher ticket products on the back end of your front end offer is because, for example, if I bring up my calculator here and get it up here where we can see it. For example, let's say you're wanting to make somewhere around your goal. Let's say if your goal is to make $500 a month, okay, and you have a $500 upsell ticket. If you just had a front end offer only, and let's say you were selling it for $20, and you take a $500, you want to make $500 a month, right? And let's divide that, and you were only selling the front end for 20. It would take you 25 sales per month if your goal was to reach $500 per month, right? So you'd have to sell 25 of these front end products to equal that, and the chances of that are a little bit tougher to do. Not that it couldn't be done, it certainly could be done, but it just take you longer to get the $500 per month that you're wanting. And the same with the $1,000. If you had now these, you can have high ticket products. I mean, I'm just giving a couple of examples here, but you could have high ticket products that go all the way up. I mean, it doesn't matter. It could be 10,000 or more for a product. But as long as the product gives value, you want to make sure that your product that you're selling on your back end complements or is congruent with your front end offer, right? For example, you might have a front end offer in health and wellness, and then you have a back end higher ticket offer and something to do with making money. It's just not going to be congruent, and people are not going to purchase something like that. It's going to needs to be congruent with your offer, your front end offer, in the same niche, and it also needs to be give even more value, and so on and so forth. And then if they bought your front end your product, and they realize that it's a good product because it's a good product and you've offered good value to them to solve the problem that they have, right? Well, they're going to know, like, and trust you at that point. And when you offer the back end product that's a little bit higher ticket, they'll be more apt to buy that because they know, like, and trust you already. They've already purchased your front end product and they know it's good. And they know you're a trustworthy person because it's doing what you told them it was going to do, right? So now the thing is, you want the higher ticket products on the back end so that you can make more money quicker. So for example, if you wanted to make $1,000 a month in your business, you take that $1,000, and if you were only selling your front end product, divide that by $20. We're saying that the product, we'll give a good average of $20 between the 10 and 30 here. And you'd have to sell 50 of the front end products at $20 to equal that $1,000 a month. And that just makes it even tougher to do. And it takes a longer time. And most of the time you may not even reach that per month, right? So you want the higher ticket products that all are congruent with the front end offer, all about the same, and it gives even greater value even to the other two, or even to the front end. If they don't buy the first higher ticket at $500 and they end up liking the $1,000 product, it should even give greater value and solve a greater problem for them, whatever the niche is that you're marketing in. So you only need one sale of the $1,000 to make $1,000 a month, right? And that's a whole lot easier to do. Now, but there's nothing wrong. You could, like I said, you could have many more. It could go all the way up to $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 product, as long as it's valuable and it gives them value for their money, right? But the thing is you have, just using this example that you see here, you have all of these three here that you could be selling in each one of these categories and making more and more money for yourself and your business. So that's why you want to have high ticket offers or products on the back end of your front end offer that they like, okay, and it solves their problem. Now, it's one thing to have those products, and it's another thing, though, to have the skills to be able to sell those products. Now, you can, if you could have any opportunity in the world that you're selling, but if you don't have the skills or the knowledge on how to market the product, that's a whole nother thing. You won't have much success. And that's sort of where I come in at. If you, down in the description of the video there, you see where it says mentorwithkev.com. If you click on that, that's where I come in, because my affiliate business is selling marketing or affiliate marketing online education. Now, with a company called Legendary Marketer. So it's important that you have the skills to market so that you'll be proficient and become an expert in how to sell a product. And then it doesn't matter what opportunity or whatever product you sell, you'll be successful in it because you have the skills to know how to market it online. That's the problem. Most marketers, they don't have the skills and they don't know how to market it online to be successful with it. So if you take a look, click the link down in the description below where it says mentorwithkev.com, and you'll see that I'm offering, you get a lot of bonuses that I'm giving you to check this out. And check out Legendary Marketer. Now, you'll go to my bonus page and you'll see a video there that will tell you about the Legendary Marketer affiliate business, which is what I'm in. But you may not want that. You just want the marketing education. If you were to go to a university and get a 4-year degree, bachelor's degree in online marketing education, you're looking at spending well over $100,000 just for that. With Legendary Marketer, you get it for the fraction of the cost. That same university bachelor's or master's degree in marketing, affiliate marketing products online or online marketing. So check out the link below. you'll see the video. It talks about the affiliate marketing business with Legendary Marketer, but you may not want that. You might just want the education. Step on through that and go to and get involved with Legendary Marketer, either by going through the business challenge, which will help you discover the correct business for you and what is a good business for you, and give you some education in it too, and that's all for free. Or you could sign up at the pro level for just $29.95 a month with a 30-day money-back guarantee, of course, and even get a higher education in marketing and go out and take that education and those skills that you've learned and go market it in any niche or any business online that you want to succeed in. And it'll give you a greater chance to succeed in it because you'll be more proficient and skilled at marketing. So take a look at Legendary Marketer. Click the link down there below in the description, mentorwithkev.com, and that'll get you over and get you started. And so you can take a look at that and get the proper education in how to do affiliate marketing online. All right, that's what I had for you today, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell down there so you get notified when we upload new videos. Also, there's plenty of other videos down there for you too that'll help you out too in the description that I've made. And with that said, I'll go ahead and let you go, and I'll see you here again in another day or two on the next video, okay? You guys have an awesome day today. I'll see you later. Bye-bye now.